If you've worked hard to lose body fat, lost some weight, but couldn't keep it off, in this video I'm going to break down exactly why. Now the simple answer is that you fell off your diet, went back to your old habits, and put the body fat back on. But it's way more complex than that. My goal in this video is to help you understand the one mistake that you've been making that's putting your body in survival mode. What happens inside of your body when this happens, and exactly what to do instead so you can lose the body fat and keep it off for good. If you're new here, my name is Eric Barrera, the founder of Full Potential Coaching, where we help desk workers transform their physique and break free from bad health so they can live their life to the fullest. I actually struggled with this exact problem back in my bodybuilding days, where I would do extreme diets, lose a lot of weight, and then rebound hard every single time. And over 80% of the people that we work with have tried fat loss in the past on their own multiple times, but could never keep the fat off. And they all make the same mistake at the very beginning of their fat loss journey, the same mistake that I made for many years. But once we fix this, not only do they get the results, but they are able to keep the fat off for good. So what have you been doing wrong? You are accidentally putting your body into survival mode by over-restricting yourself. You're going from eating however much of whatever you want to slashing your calories hard and maybe even cutting out entire food groups. Maybe you cut out carbs completely. Maybe you do chicken and broccoli for every meal. Maybe you only have 1,500 calories when you should be eating 2,400 calories to maintain your current weight. So yeah, maybe you lose some weight, but then you start to feel like trash, becoming irritable, lethargic, and the cravings become uncontrollable. And here's the thing, it isn't a discipline problem, and it's not a willpower problem. You are eventually going to fall off track solely because your body is fighting back against you. Your body thinks it is starving. Let me explain what actually happens inside of your body when you slash calories too low, too fast. When you go into a massive caloric deficit, your body does not know that you're trying to get abs for the summer. It just knows that suddenly energy is scarce. So it does three things to keep you alive. First, it downregulates your metabolism. Your body literally slows down calorie burn to conserve energy. This means that your body now burns less calories at rest than it normally should be. Second is it spikes your hunger hormone, specifically ghrelin. This is the hormone that'll have you raiding the pantry at 9 p.m. It isn't just a willpower issue, it is your biology screaming at you to eat. Third, it crashes your satiety hormone, specifically leptin. This is the hormone that helps you feel full. That is why you can eat a full meal and still want to go back for more. Your body has essentially turned off the "I'm full" signal. This is survival mode. And here's why it matters for you. When you can no longer sustain such a major calorie deficit, you go back to eating your old ways. But the issue is that your metabolism is still down-regulated and your hormones are all jacked up. So you gain the weight back, oftentimes more than you originally lost. This is why crash diets, 21-day shreds, or any other extreme program always leads to weight rebound. You have not taught your body how to properly eat sustainable, healthy foods. You have just triggered it to go into survival mode over and over again. So what do you need to do instead? You need to start at maintenance calories for 4 to 8 weeks before you ever even enter a deficit. And I know what you're thinking, Eric, I don't want to wait 2 months before I start burning body fat. But here's why it changes everything. When you start at maintenance, you're eating the amount of calories to maintain your current weight. You're not crashing your hormones, you're not spiking your hunger, and you're not downregulating your metabolism. What you are doing is building a healthy relationship with food and learning how to properly structure healthy meals. Not to mention that if you pair this with proper weight training and following a good program, you will build more muscle during this maintenance phase, which will only improve your fat loss when that time comes. Then, after 4 to 8 weeks of learning how to actually eat properly and consistently, you can drop into a 500 calorie deficit. And because your metabolism is healthy, your hormones are regulated, and you've built the consistency with habits, the fat loss will become more sustainable and honestly feels easier. This is exactly what we did with Noe. Noe is 28 years old, and when he came to us, he'd been yo-yoing for years. He'd lose 5 pounds, gain back 10. Lose 10 pounds again, gain back 15. We had him eat at maintenance for the first 6 weeks in the program. But within those 6 weeks, he learned how to build consistency with the habits. He learned how to meal prep, and he also learned how to make his meals more flexible so he can still enjoy the foods he was eating. And when we dropped him into a 500 calorie deficit, he lost 25 pounds in the next 4 months and got abs for the first time in his life. And the best part is that a year later, he is still lean. He did not rebound all the weight back because we did it in a sustainable manner. So here's exactly what you need to do. Step 1 is to calculate your maintenance calories, or your TDEE, which stands for your total daily energy expenditure. It's based on your body weight, your age, your height, your activity level, and how much you're moving throughout your days. Step 2 is to track your food for 7 to 14 days, aiming to hit that maintenance goal. You can use an app like MyFitnessPal. The goal is to build consistency and awareness, not perfection. Step 3 is to now stay at this maintenance for 4 to 8 weeks. Build the habits, learn how to eat properly, get on a good weightlifting program, and get super consistent doing these things. Step 4, after you've built a strong foundation, then you can drop into a 500 calorie deficit and start your fat loss phase. This approach might feel slower at first, but it is actually the best way to sustainable fat loss results because you are not going to rebound the weight back on. Now look, if you want the calculator to figure out your maintenance calories and a breakdown on how you can track these maintenance calories, just hit the link in the description below and you can grab it for free. But let's be honest, if you're serious about transforming your physique and finally getting into great shape and health, and you want someone to customize and personalize your nutrition, training, and accountability, then just stick around for a second because I'm going to explain exactly how we can work together. Like I mentioned, Noe is a perfect example of how this maintenance approach works. He's 28 years old, he is an engineer, so he is a desk worker, and he struggled with yo-yo dieting the majority of his career. After going into our maintenance approach and working full-blown with our coaches, he lost 25 pounds in just 4 months of a fat loss phase and got abs for the first time ever in his life. His confidence is through the roof and he just looks and feels amazing. But the best part is that he lost the weight, he lost the body fat, and kept it off for good. So if you want results like Noe and you want a custom nutrition and training approach built for you specifically around your schedule, your goals, and your body, then all you have to do is hit the link in the description below that says Full Potential Coaching application. We'll go through a simple 4-step process. Step 1 is fill out that application form. Step 2 is I will personally reach out to you and hop on a free consultation call. Step 3 is if you are a good fit and I can confidently say that our team can help you hit your goals, we will get you on a strategy call where we will go over exactly what your programming would look like. And the final step 4 is that we will create your program and hold you accountable every step of the way to ensure that you get the best results and keep them for life. If you got value from this video, I would greatly appreciate if you hit the like and subscribe button. Drop a comment down below if you have any other topics or videos that you would love to see. And as always, make sure to continue paving your path forward and unleashing your full potential. I'll see you guys in the next one.